Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send USDC from your Ledger Nano X to XMO in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely, and this step-by-step guide will make it easy and stress-free. First things first, make sure you have your Ledger Nano X set up with the Ethereum app installed, since USDC is an ERC20 token. You'll also need an XMO account with a funded wallet ready to receive the transfer. Let's dive in. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB cable and open the Ethereum app on the device. This is crucial because Ledger acts as your secure hardware wallet. Once it's connected, launch the Ledger Live software or any compatible wallet interface like MetaMask. Step 2. In your wallet interface, select your USDC token. You'll see your balance. Double-check that you have enough USDC for the transfer, plus any network fees. Remember, Ethereum transactions can get pricey during peak times, so keep an eye on gas fees. Step 3. Get your XMO deposit address. Log into your XMO account, go to the deposit section, and select USDC. Copy the wallet address carefully. Never share this with anyone else to avoid scams. Step 4. Back in your wallet, initiate the transfer by entering the XMO address as the recipient. Specify the amount of USDC you want to send, and review all the details. On your Ledger device, you'll be prompted to confirm the transaction. Always verify the address on the screen to ensure it's correct. Step 5. Once confirmed, sit back and wait for the transaction to process on the Ethereum blockchain. This usually takes a few minutes, but it can vary. Head over to XMO and check your account to confirm the deposit. A quick tip: always use the official Ledger and XMO apps to minimize risks. And if you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. There you have it. Sending USDC from Ledger Nano X to XMO is straightforward when you follow these steps. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.